welcome to Time for Little Go Around Brick Builds. Today I'll show you how to build an M&M's dispenser. The mechanism is you just have to pull on the lever and you'll get an M&M. So you want an 8x8 plate as the base and you want to build 3 bricks up using colours of your choice. A bit like this. Then you want to build up 4 bricks high, leaving a 2x2 gap here on the front. You can also add a slope piece for decoration, but also add a Technic axle connected by Technic bricks on the sides. Now after you've done that, you want to build a mechanism. The mechanism contains these few pieces. So to build it, you want 2 2x4 plates stacked on top, and also you want a 1x1 plate and a 1x2 plate with a 1x6 plate going across it. Put 2 2x4 bricks on top and make something that looks like this using a 1x4 brick, a 1x4 plate going across, 2 1x1 plates on the sides, 1x1 tiles on both sides, and a 1x2 griddle piece or a smooth piece there. Now, after you do that, you want to build the mechanism. The mechanism has 2 2x2s on both sides, a 1x2, and there's also a Technic brick that would look a bit like this. I showcased this before, so check out some of the other videos like the dispensers. So after you've done that, you want to stack 2 1x1s on top on both sides. Put a Technic pin in, which would be 3 studs long. Connect it, and you want to connect it to a little piece that looks like this, so then it slides. After you've done that, duplicate it, and now you can move on to the dispensing other part. So build up 3 bricks, put some clear panels outside so you can see the M&Ms like this, and then put 2 bricks high worth of 1x bricks and tile it off with 1x1s on the corners. Just build a quick roof. I just went for a design that looks like this, but it's optional. And you can snap it on too. Then grab everything that you have. And then assemble it with your piece that looks a bit like this, going on first there. Then your other piece that looks a bit like this could go on there. But also make sure that the piece has a long bit sticking out like this. Put the mechanism just on top of that with the long part on the Technic axle. It's a bit fiddly, but in the end you'll get it. Like this. And then put your roof on. And also, you can put some Technic slope, not Technic, but Lego slope pieces here, just to prevent the M&M from getting stuck. Put that on, attach the roof, and now you made your M&M dispenser. Fill up, you just have to take off the roof and fill it up with M&M. I recommend using normal ones because I also tried the caramel ones, but they're just a bit too big. But you can just adjust the size. So now, pull the lever, you get some tasty M&Ms. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. Bye!